Hello again, friends and fellow collectors. So I've noticed there hasn't been a challenge out in a while, so I figured I would put one out. And actually I just thought of another one while I was getting ready to do this one. So this challenge is going to be the Thunderbird challenge right here. This is an old 58 Thunderbird, and it's a Tootsie toy. But maybe I'll throw out a Tootsie Toy challenge either later in the week or this weekend if I dig out all my Tootsie Toys. So that was the one I just thought of when I was getting ready to start this video. But for now, you can show any make and model. Well, we don't make, Thunderbird, but any year Thunderbird. Loose, carded, both, either, neither, whatever you want to do. But I figured, what the heck, let's show some Thunderbirds. So got that Tootsie Toy Thunderbird, little beat up but definitely cool. Then I've got this Johnny Lightning Firebird. Sorry about the lighting, guys. I didn't turn my light on out in my die cast room. I'm just going by the daylight. Then we've got this original Redline Thunderbird. One of my favorites. Definitely a cool Thunderbird for sure. Then we got this Matchbox 1957 Thunderbird with the Continental kit on it in the white and red. Really sharp car. Sorry about bouncing around. I'm still trying to video with holding on to my phone, so, but very cool. Then I have this body style Thunderbird. I'm sure I got more Thunderbirds carded, but for now I grabbed what I had loose. Like I said, you can show what you want, any brand, Johnny Lightning, M2, doesn't matter. Thunderbird is a Thunderbird. So this one's very cool. Really like that one. And like I said, I know I got more here and there. It's just these are some that I found that I had right handy. Then I'm going to show these two at the same time, because these are the same thing, just different colors. The Matt and Debbie Hayes Thunderbirds, I got it carded in black and gold. I've got it, I believe, the Zamac of it. I think there was one in a 20 pack I saw too that just came out that was like a dark blue, midnight blue, but that one I haven't got, but I seen it when it was in the store. So definitely a cool Thunderbird. Then we got this T-Bird Stalker, which is another one of my favorite of the old Blackwall Thunderbirds. Lots of variations. I think this is the only one I have of this one, but I'm sure I'll come across more eventually. But these are super cool. Then I've got these two of the color change Matchbox T-Birds. As you can see, broken tail light on the one, chipped up. I do have the blue and hot pink one somewhere with a broken piece of tail light, but I didn't come across it. But I'm sure you guys have seen that one before. So like I said, I'm just showing kind of what I had on hand, just trying to throw out challenge out there for everybody, make some videos, let you guys know I'm still here. Then I got this, not even sure what this thing is, what make, but that's like a 57 Thunderbird. I got a couple of those. this is one of my favorite style Thunderbirds. I'm going to show a couple of these at a time. So these were the that one and this one were the McDonald's 57 T-Birds. I do have a couple of those. Then I've got this red 57 T-Bird. We've got the candy apple red T-Bird, which I have a few of those. And then we have the yellow 57 T-Bird. And as you can see, this one has got the porthole windows. These ones do not. So the ones with the porthole windows are the earlier variations of the 57 T-Bird, and the ones without the portholes are the later versions. I know this yellow one, there's one in white that I've seen here and there, but I do not have. But I know there's a lot of variations. There's some of these with rail riders on them, the whole 9 yards. There's a lot of them. But if you didn't know about the porthole windows, I figured I would share that with you. If you did, then you already knew. So those are super cool. One of my favorite Thunderbird castings right here is the 57 Thunderbird, the hard tops. And then I know this next car isn't a Thunderbird, but I wanted to show it, give it honorable mention, is this Lincoln Mark 7, which almost sort of kind of looks like this Thunderbird, kind of from the side and a little bit from the front. They had Thunderbirds that look like those. So I just wanted to give that an honorable mention in with the Thunderbirds, because I don't think I have a lot of Lincolns without looking, and I know it's kind of in the same like Thunderbird-ish type class. So anyways, hope everybody is having a great week. Hope you guys have a great rest of your week. Hopefully I get to see people do this challenge and see what you guys have for T-Birds from the different brands, loose, customs, it doesn't matter. If it's a Thunderbird, then go ahead and show it. So hope everybody likes my video, hope everybody likes my challenge. Maybe, like I said, later in the week I'll put out maybe that Tootsie Toy challenge, just so, because it's going to take me a little bit to dig out all the Tootsie Toys, or maybe that'll be later on. We'll see what happens. But for now, Thunderbird challenge. And if you want to throw something in there as an honorable mention, go ahead and throw it in there. But hope to see everybody's videos. Hope you guys like my challenge. Thanks for everybody for your support of the channel, watching my videos, commenting. I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can with comments. And everybody have a great night, and we'll catch you in the next one.